Our given sequence, we have 50, 45, 40, 35, and 30. So, since the given sequence is increasing or decreasing? Okay, decreasing order, probably the common difference is positive or negative? Okay, negative. So, first step, we need to find the value of a sub 1. A sub 1 will be the first term of the given sequence, and that is 50. Then after that, find the common difference. How to find the common difference? Subtract the second term to the first term. So this will become 45 minus 50. What is the sign of 45? Positive. Sign of 50. Same and like. Other subtract. 50 minus 45. Sign of the bigger number. Okay, therefore, our common difference is negative 5. Then after that, substitute a sub 1 and the common difference to the explicit formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, now, what is a sub 1? 50 plus n minus 1 times negative 5. Then after that, simplify. Okay, so we have first distribute negative 5 by the given binomial. Negative 5 times n. Negative 5n na. Then after that, distribute again. Negative times negative. Positive. 5 times 1. 5. Then combine similar terms. Do they have similar terms? Or what term? 50 and 5. Okay, so si negative 5n, just bring down. What is the sign of 50? Positive. Sign of 5. Okay, add. Tama? So 50 plus 5. 55. Anong sign po ni 55? Positive. So therefore, this is the general rule or the nth term of the given sequence. So